I'm going to show you how to lock cells with formulas using a VBA formula. Okay, so what we've got here is a bit of a spreadsheet I put together. It just shows the conversions from various metrics to other metrics. So, got formulas here, 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 in all of the result boxes. So, say that I have this file saved in a shared folder that other people are going to use, and say I don't want them to change one of these formulas. So say that I don't want them to delete the formula here or put something else in. What's a good way to stop that from happening without protecting the entire sheet or the entire workbook? Well, I'll show you a solution that I think works well. So yeah, we've gone into the VBA editor. We'll start a new module, and we're going to put in some VBA that's going to only lock the cells that have formulas in them. And once this is in, obviously you can run the macro whenever you want, and makes it easy for you. We'll start off with the title here. Okay, so we'll use the width function. So width of the active sheet. So that's what we're working with. Let's tab over here. So we're going to unprotect it. That's going to be the default. So the cells that are locked is going to be false, as in normal cells will not be locked. So that's going to allow people to put in variables that they want results from. Okay, so now we go on to the cells that we do want locked. Okay, so this is saying that the special cells, the ones with formulas, it's true that we want them locked. And also, let's allow the users to delete rows. Okay, we'll end the function, end the with function, and yeah, I think this looks like about it. Okay, so at the moment we can change things in these cells with formulas. So we'll run the macro. Okay, now let's see what happens when we try to change them. Okay, so now we've effectively got a conversion spreadsheet that allows the user to input into one cell while retaining a result in another cell that has its formula protected. So as an example, 100 kilograms, 220 pounds. See, 1.7 kilometers, 1.06 miles. So, yeah, I think this demonstrates how it can be useful. I thought that, yeah, I'd show you using an actual spreadsheet that you might see as useful, so that you can see the practical application of some of this stuff. And you know, while it can be a bit dry, VBA is a useful Excel tool that when you're on top of it, it's really able to separate the wheat from the chaff. So that's about it. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll be uploading another one soon.